Today I made oat bites. On the side we have my wild blueberry jam, also delicious. This is just a quick snack if you're somebody that's on the go. This is a perfect recipe. I'll show you exactly how I like to do it. So you take the oat bite, take a bite. Take some of the jam. Put it right there on top. And you take a bite. Sweet, has a little tart taste to it. Very good. It's truly satisfying. All the ingredients are in the caption for my recipe. Honestly, these are so addictive. I try not to eat too much. Last bite. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.